Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. And also, don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT time. So the Kiwi dollar is definitely very strong down since last night's Asian session. This is definitely a lower high right here, so we cannot rule out the possibility that this move down is a correction to the last move up. So definitely don't rule that out. Going all the way up to the daily time frame, I mean, yeah, this is definitely kind of corrective, but I still think because of the dollar index that eventually it is going to just keep on going up, making higher highs, higher lows on the daily, weekly time frame. So like I said, we can't rule out the possibility of this move down being nothing more than a correction to the last move up. So I would be watching my Fibonacci levels very closely. I wouldn't go long just because it's at a Fib level, but I would go long if it made like a double bottom breaker structure engulfing move up at a Fib level. Whether it happens at the 61, 78, or whether it just turns into like more of an expanding flat, which would be, higher high wave B, lower low wave C. I have no idea. I just know that if it does make a double bottom breaker structure engulfing move to the upside at a key Fibonacci level, then I definitely will be ready to go long for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.